In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use PDF security in Bluebeam. To do that, first head over to their website, which is bluebeam.com. Once you're in there, proceed to click on the this Get Started in order to sign up for an account. Or you can also click on the this Try It Free option in order to sign up for a 14-day free trial. Now, once we're in there, you can also click on the this Buy Now option in order to buy a license from them. Once you have access, click on this Login and then log into your Bluebeam. As you have noticed right there, I also have my Bluebeam already installed. To use the PDF security, you just need to head over and open your PDF first. I have right here this particular PDF. Now from in there, click on this document menu. This should be able to open right here this window. Now from there, click on security. You can also just click on the keyboard shortcut, which is Control L. Now here we have the security right there. So open the permissions editor by clicking on this change permissions. For this, you can require a password to open the document. Just type in here the password that you want to use. I'll just input right here this password. And you can also change right here the encryption between 256, 128, as well as 128 RC4. From in there, you can also define the permissions however you want. Click on Save right here. Click on OK. And in there, you can see right here the permissions available once this particular document has been opened. You can also define the permissions on printing. So on this, you can change the printing options, modifications, as well as extracting and copying text and graphics. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out on using PDF security. Thank you for watching.